I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're wondering how to check your account balance on Uber Eats, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your balance. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access payment options. In your profile, look for the payment or wallet section. This is where you can view your balance and payment methods. Step 4. Check your balance. Once in the payment section, your account balance should be displayed prominently. If it is not showing, refresh the app or check your internet connection. Step 5. Review transaction history. If you want to see how your balance has changed, scroll down to view your transaction history. This will give you details on recent orders and payments. If you follow these steps, you should easily find your account balance on Uber Eats. Happy ordering!